55, that's perfect, Southwest 3226, and we're just getting our second engine started. We got that 3-minute warm-up. 121.3, 7 Hotel Romeo.
Six right, taxi uniform, November Whiskey.
6 right, uniform, November Whiskey, Southwest 3226. November 6, my mic turn right heading 360.
Turn right heading 360, 726 Mike.
This is 7 Alpha Tango, contact approach 135.4, advise them when you're inbound.
13547 Alpha Tango, thank you. And approach River 217 Alpha Tango, level at 45, in the hold at Casby, and we have the weather at Chino.
November 217 Alpha Tango's over Casby, practice approach approved, no separation service provided, maintain VFR, full procedure, turn inbound.
Practice approach.
Approach 73 Charlie Bravo, is that to shoot the DOR Alpha approaching to Corona?
November 7 Tango Fox, understand your inbound? Negative, we'll be one more off the hold for some inbound. 8 Charlie Bravo, you want to do the VOR in the Corona?
8 off, 6 Charlie Bravo.
November 6, Mike turn right heading 060, join the localizer.
Turn right heading 060, join the localizer, 726 my mic.
November 8 Charlie Bravo, continue to hold your number 2 for the approach.
Continue to hold 6 Charlie Bravo.
7 Tango Foxtrot, you said this is a full stop? Affirmative, and we'll be inbound after this next lap, 7 Tango Foxtrot. Yes. November 6 Mike, 6 miles from the final approach, 6 tracks, first approved, no separation service provided, maintain VFR.
Okay, low push.
South 3226, yep. We're here, Southwest 3226, 2.9, climbing via the Pomona 1, 14,000. 3226, radar south. Number 85 Mike, turn left 6070.
Left heading 070, my mic.
Five two West Island, 055 Zulu. More information on flight service frequencies.
Hazardous information, conductive segment 50 West, 52 West, Mellon, still 3055 Zulu for Arizona and California. For thunderstorms, for more information, contact flight service frequency.
VFR frequency approved. Talk 7 Tango Foxtrot, practice approach approved.
Aircraft protected command 50 and 52 West developed until 0055 Zulu, California and surrounding states available.
So 3226, expedite 6, 5 miles westbound, 6 Okay, we see that traffic on TCAS will expedite through 6,000. Quebec, SoCal, approach on South 294. Did you have an approach request? 15 Kilo with Foxtrot, 6137 Quebec. Do you have an approach request? Negative, 37 Quebec. Turn number 37 Quebec. You can turn northbound towards Chino then. Turn northbound towards Chino, 37 Quebec.
1886, runway 26 right, taxi via Romeo, November Whiskey.
Romeo, November Whiskey, 26 right, up 1786.
Roll 294, set 918.
Say again.
This is 17 Charlie Bravo, procedure talking now.
Number 8 Charlie Bravo, change to advisory approval, talk down the go.
Okay, change to advisory, Charlie Bravo.
Keep up Mike to the tower.
Contact 855.
17 to 70 are Disney.
4 advised, yeah, Tino in sight. Both called unanswered? Yeah, 20, close checking in, 2000.
SoCal Joe 72 is 5 nautical miles south of Paradise, 3,500 with request.
Point 1, get inside the 3202.
Model aircraft and approach request.
CA28 Flank Golf and like to request multiple kinds of pushes beginning with the Corona VOR Alpha low approach with a lap in the hold, please. Joe 72.
Joe 72, SoCal, thank you. Reset transponder block East Dakota 0262, IDET.
0262 IDET.
2902 Heavy, clear direct Ayura, and descend and maintain 8,000.
Clear direct Ayura and descend and maintain 8,000, UPS 2902.
SoCal 728 Charlie Bravo, that's to the practice area, we're climbing to 3.
8 Bravo, turn away from Paradise, turn towards the practice area. There's traffic inbound on the Corona approach.
Okay, we're doing that, we're looking.
SoCal experimental.
Number 7 Alpha Tango, that traffic's 11 o'clock, 3 miles southeastbound, 2100. Climbing is a light sport.
Looking for traffic, 7 Alpha Tango. Verify UPS 2902, clear to land 26 left.
957 Charlie Kilo, SoCal, Terrell Altimeter 2984.
2984, 7 Charlie Kilo.
7 Charlie Kilo, VFR descent to 4,500 approved.
VFR 4,500, 7 Charlie Kilo.
Spirit 3 Charlie Papa, contact Kino Tower 118.5, we'll talk to you on the go.
1855, we'll be back to Charlie Papa. Traffic in sight, no factor, 7 Alpha Tango.
Thank you. 7 Alpha Tango, are you inbound?
Yes, we are inbound, 7 Alpha Tango.
Tango change advice approved, we'll talk to you on the go.
I will talk to you on the go, 7 Alpha Tango.
South 72, now number 1 for the approach, back first, up to base, provide. FedEx 3951 Heavy, descend and maintain 900,000.
900,000, 3951.
10.1 United 832.
SoCal approach, route 17 Alpha Tango, best out of Corona, direct Prado at 3,000, 7 Alpha Tango.
And is this a full stop or low approach?
For bracket, we're going to do another low approach and then back to Redlands for a full stop, 7 Alpha Tango.
My Bravo contact SoCal departure, we'll see you.
Departure for Randy, come on, total. Maintain 8,000.
Alright, direct to Chaco, intercept the localizer, maintain 8,000, track 3951. 7 Charlie, Kilo 21.3.
Approach Joe 72 is procedure to inbound.
The localizer.
Paradise, direct Palo, intercept up the localizer to Alpha Golf. 18-8 on the Disney 6 with Golf, Orange County.
I think that's Gal 72 saying you're turning inbound.
Affirmative, South 72.
Gal 72, roger. Change advisor approved. We'll talk to you on the go.
Change to advisory approved, South 72.
Two Alpha Golf, center maintains 6,000.
He said maintain 6,000, 2 Alpha Golf. Just confirm that, 6,000 for 2 Alpha Golf.
Two Alpha Golf, affirmative, maintains 6,000.
Roger, maintain 6,000, 2 Alpha Golf.
First approved. Now separation service provided. Maintain VFR.
280, taxi approach 690.
November 3 Charlie Papa, turn right heading 020.
Right, 020, 3 Charlie Papa.
For 3 Charlie Papa, maintain VFR at 3,500.
3,500 VFR is 3 Charlie Papa.
120.6 today.
Quarter Tower, FedEx 3951.
Thank you, Foxtrot approach 124.6 today.
124.6 to 738 Kilo Foxtrot.
There's 7 Alpha Tango flight 320 practice approved. No separation surprise.
Hey, 320 7 Alpha Tango practice approach approved, yes. Did you want us to go different disc, 7 Alpha Tango?
No, you can move westbound back to 6.
Westbound back to 7 Alpha. Emirates 551 Kilo.
7 p.m. weather for Riverside.
For 3 Charlie Papa, traffic 9 o'clock, 1 mile, same direction, 3,000. Corona on the 0703 radio, first Above 3,000. Above 3,000, correct, 1023. Dow 72, traffic 11 o'clock, 4 miles westbound, Sirius, I believe, have a 2,500 landing data.
Looking to Southwest.
Skyhawk 39 Echo, turn right heading 350.
Right, 350, we have the weather bracket.
Thank you. November 6 Mike, after completion of this approach, depart Corona westbound, climbing to 3,000. Right up the approach westbound of 3,006 Mike. RV 7 Alpha Tango, after completion of this approach, depart Corona westbound, climbing to 3,000. 3,000 to Skyhawk.
We got him on the stream, we don't have visual, we'll stay at 5,500 set Alpha Tango.
Skyhawk 6 Mike, traffic 12 o'clock, 1 mile, holding over Paradise, 3,500 at RV.
We got him, no backers, no Mike.
Career track 1023, 5 miles to Dewey, turn left heading 280.
Left 270, practice approach approved.
3 Charlie Papa, conference approach 121.3.
121.3, 3 Charlie Papa.
Number 6 Mike, I'll need to go inbound on this turn.
Just thought I'd let you know, we're going to go inbound and we got the weather tonight.
6 Mike, change to advisory frequency approved.
Over advisory tonight.
Career track 1023, contact Tito Tower, 118.5. 118.5, career track 1023. Practice approach approved, no separation services provided.
Practice approach approved, no separation services provided. 7 Alpha Tango, thank you.
Altimeter 29085, expect iOS 26 radio, Dow Walker 010.
Maintain VFR at or above 6,500.
6,500, 0 Whiskey Kilo.
Approach, good evening, pitch at 554. Flight level 190, Disney V, the Disney 6 with Golf. 6 right, clear for takeoff, SkyWest 48. 125.5 for 6393 Charlie, 125.5.
125.5, Dr. Charlie.
Our approach, clear check 1023 on the mist from Kino, requesting the GPS Alpha for bracket full stop.
6,500, we have Mike for Van Island.
Number 6393 Charlie to South Road, Security Officer 2985, advise when you start your descent.
2985, advise when we start our descent, 9 to Charlie.
Clear check 1026. Clear track 1023, turn right, heading 260, passengers on approach port.
1060, clear check 1023. So, 726 Mike on the mid from Corona,
westbound up to 3000. Number 6 Mike Mike, save request.
We'd like to RNAV 26 right into Chino, 6 run.
Number 6 Mike Mike Roger, start to climb to 3000 and fly heading 010. But does not approach course. Advise get information golf.
010 up to 3000, let you know we got golf.
There's 2985. Q1 United 2013, get it?
Sierra current wave 22016, customer 2985. Runway 26 right, clear to fly.
Roger, supervisor, Kilo 2, left, will occur 010.
And it's 9 to 10 o'clock, 1 mile eastbound, 2,500 indicated.
Got him in sight, expect this was
Thanks for check 1023, contact bracket tower, have a good day.
Where's our expect this was Okay, let's go 32, 62,000, traffic later at 14,000 we got here in Ontario.
That was 3217, SoCal approach, Ontario, altimeter 2986. Expect the ILS, runway 26, right approach.
I will expect the ILS 26 right, just go 3217.
225 Tango Foxtrot.
Skyhawk 39er Echo, turn left heading 080.
Left 080, 39 Echo. Traffic in sight, 7 Lima. 9 Lima, thank you. They maintain VFR at or above 4,000. VFR at or above 4,000 is the southern. Ground ABEX 3111 Heavy is ready to taxi 0.
ABEX 3111 Heavy, runway 26 right. Taxi Golf, November Whiskey.
Golf November Whiskey, 26 right, ABEX 3111 Heavy. With 3217, turn right heading 140, vector to final, descend and maintain 8,000.
Vector to 140 degrees down to 8,000 for guys.
This is Kilo Charlie, contact approach 135.4, have a good day.
35 or have a good day to talk. We got Whiskey, we'll expect your Chronos 115. 5 Tango Foxtrot, 5 Alpha 28, turn left heading 280, maintain VFR, practice approach approved, no separation services front.
Turn left heading 280, practice approach is approved for 225 Tango Foxtrot. That will occur 010, right to Foxtrot.
Star Walker 010 Heavy, Ontario ground, takes the parking via November Golf.
November Golf to parking, Skywalker 010.
Discretion.
Our discretion is going to 3270.
Alpha is 3255, descend and maintain 8,300.
Descend and maintain 8,300, Southwest 3255. Riverside, 7 Alpha Tango. 7 Alpha Tango, roger, proceed.
8 Alpha 3111.
7 Alpha Tango. Number 7 Alpha Tango, turn to climb to 5,500 for traffic. 5,500 for traffic, 7 Alpha Tango.
With 3217, turn right heading 170, descend and maintain 4,000.
170 down to 4,000, Sky 3270.
Building vertical development over, pretty much over road, which is why we went around road. Pretty much the altitudes that we were going to be descending through for Delta E26.
2E, turn left heading 270, maintain VFR, practice switch approved, no separation services product.
Left 270, practice switch approved, Renata Reco.
Descend and maintain 4,000.
Maintain 4,000. Traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles northwestbound, and DC 35
runway 26 right, clear slam.
Clear land 26 right, Cessna 3230.
Traffic 5 mile final Boeing 737 for the parallel runway, wind 23015. Runway 26 left, clear for takeoff.
UPS 901 Heavy is cleared for takeoff.
SoCal Cessna 2470 Bravo, we are on inbound. 9,000, exit 725.
Separation service.
Making VF4 and practice approach for 70 Bravo.
We are south of Corona, requesting the ILS 9er into Riverside practice approach, full stop.
South 38, take that aircraft.
We are a PA-44 slant golf for South 38.
South 38, squawk 025236, Void 39ers, time now 31.5.
RNAV Zulu for runway 13 right, confirm.
2777 Echo at 3,000, 2 miles south of Paradise. We'd like to do the ILS practice approach into Chino. We have hotel.
X-ray 734 Heavy, Roger, you plan for that. I know, 54 Roger.
be in November, Quebec.
November, Quebec to 202 United States
664, correct. And Met Officer, maintain 9,000. Echo 664, maintain 9,000. 9,754. FedEx 3734 Heavy, descend and maintain 8,000.
Maintain 8,000, Alpha FedEx 3734 Heavy.
Pack Valley 7694 to tower. Pack Valley 7694, affirmative, contact on trail tower 10.6. Yep. Pack Valley 7694 to tower, have a good night.
And we were assigned to 6 right that still remain. That means we will still surrender.
FedEx 3734 Heavy on 28 ground, taxi to parking via November Charlie.
Calling our administration.
If I'm too close to the hills, I cannot get reception of 125.5, 43 shots.
Super takeoff, Scott 4031.
70 Charlie Pop, level 6,000 direct Pomona. 670 Charlie Pop, director.
Heavy clear direct headwind. United 2619, maintain 8,000. Maintain 8,000, yeah.
plate.
Actually, 7653, contact Ontario Tower 120.6.
Tower 7653.
Our 7693, the caravan lands 26 left, or clear visual approach runway 26 right. Do not overtake. You are in front of Boeing 737 MAX over Pettis.
Okay, do not overtake the caravan and cleared visual approach 26 right, Empire 7693.
FedEx 1359 heavy, contact San Bernardino Tower 109.45. And maintain 4,000.
4000, back value 7682. Land 26 right.
Transcendent Grand Taxi parking via November, Quebec.
November, Quebec, departure United 27.
Star 3217, information change is not current. When Super 015, altimeter 29901.
2991, consider 2613.
SoCal is saying 276. So what's up with the person? I don't know.
So Echo from that turn left, heading to 08 jump.
Right, clear the approach runway 26 right. 30 at 17.
XLE 7696, SoCal approach, Ontario, altimeter 2991, expect the visual approach, runway 26 right.
Contact Ontario Tower 120.6. We'll see you.
Beehive 0, last 877 Echo.
Upright base is final, 2 o'clock, 5 miles, 3,000.
Go around. Go around, American Airlines.
2991, Delta 26. Chance for 26 left, Delta 924. We'll take 26 right, Delta 924. Spec Pettis, thanks, Delta 924. Team 66, contact approach 127.0.
Value 7682, turn right on, back left onto November, then contact ground.
Ontario ground, Southwest 658, gate 405, information Sierra, request push.
South 615 Ontario Ground, push back to the street.
Clear push, Southwest 658. Ontario ground, back value 7682.
Echo 7682 Ontario Ground, taxi to parking via November, Bravo.
6 right. Clear visual 26 right, and we're going to start our descent out of 5,000 for green. That's okay with you. Top route. Right down to 3,000 and cleared visual for.
Actually, 7688, SoCal approach, altimeter 2992.
Runway 26 right, cleared 4,000 takeoff, 122.017.
Clear for takeoff, 26 right, Southwest 658. 6 good day.
5.6, 170, Delta 2613.
Back LA 7688, traffic's off the right, 3 o'clock now, 3 miles, leaving 3,600.
It's sorry, back LA 7688.
Back LA 7688, Roger, maintain visual separation from the 737, caution wake turbulence, clear visual approach runway 26 left.
Visual separation, caution on the wake, then clear to the visual 26 left, back LA 7688. Correct inland coast search system. 6,359.
Southwest 2178, so turn left heading 250 and run up to, I'm sorry, 270 and run at 26 right left side.
70, join localizer for runway 26 right, Southwest 2178.
Southwest 1091, playing 130. Base to final 5,000.
103, we're at a 15.5, descending via the Scooby 2, slowing to 250, and then catching up on the altitude.
Left, back LA 7688. Tower radar contact.
Make clear the Ontario final, please.
17, contact LA Center 1253.
Contact parking via November uniform, November 1.
November uniform, November 1, American 666.
7,000.
Down 7,000, Southwest 1091.
Southwest 2178, contact tower 120.6.
Over to tower, good day, Southwest 2178.
Clear the visual approach, runway 26 right.
Visual situation and clear the visual 26 right, side direction 666.
Approach Alaska 1086, 42,000. Alaska 1086, SoCal approach, altimeter 2993, expect runway 26 right. Fly present heading, maintain 11,000.
Present heading 11,000, expect 26 right, Alaska 1086.
Delta 924, turn left, heading 200.
Heading 200, Delta 924.
Cover that close.
91, turn left, heading 2, turn left, heading 080.
Ground Southwest 2799, ready to push out the gate 403.
That was 2977 on third ground, 6 knots is approved.
Ready for
Back through Southwest 2799.
And the survey call sign is Southwest 2977.
Yes, 2977 Alpha 403.
Noted, thank you.
Then you can enter this hold maintain VFR.
Direct paradise,
Number 8, Tango Foxtrot, flight 260, join Victor 186. SoCal approach, Roger. Altimeter 2994. Transport 3352, heavy fighting 240.
Heading 240, Southwest 3352.
Southwest 103, turn left, heading 230, and intercept the 26 right localizer.
Left 230 to intercept the localizer.
Tower 15017, got 23 runway 26 right, cleared to line.
Clear to left, both. Tower Density 024, convert, clear to left, runway 26 right.
That's 024 FEA, affirmative.
Thank you.
to be in November, back to November 1. It appears Q09 is open.
November, Quebec, November 1, gate 209, Delta 92020.
On Alaska 737 off your 1 o'clock now, 4.5 miles, leaving 5,000. Do you have them in sight? 7,500, one of the PA30, point command chief for one of them in sight.
Yeah, we got it beside Alaska today.
All right, Alaska 76, roger, maintain visual separation from the traffic. Contact the tower 120.6 today.
120.6, maintain visual separation, Alaska 76. 834 on the go for 2 westbound, CFR at 138.
Time now 0125 and 3/4.
That's and maintaining that up of 6,000 outside 1901.
Southwest 2617, reduce speed to 170 knots or less.
170 less than the speed, 2617.
Alaska 474, this drive is actually going to take you probably across mile.
Alaska 474, roger. 277, echo.
Very cool. Out of curiosity, what's the earliest you can get us going? Is it 0207? West 2617, contact tower 120.6 today.
120.6, 2617.
Idaho 54, traffic 10 o'clock, 3 miles southwest, eastbound, 6,000 restricted to business liner.
Okay, we're actually done here. I'd like to start a descent down to 2,000.
There on flight 1935.
6 right, that's 2617.
Center Slam 10 Heavy 3,700, Sunday 5,000 Sky 4.
12 o'clock, 3 miles.
7,000 outside 1901.
Alaska 474, reduce speed to 190.
Flow to 190, Alaska 474.
On the localizer, cleared ILS, runway 26 right approach.
Okay, maintain 4,000 to establish the ILS. It's right approach, class
550, Whiskey, SoCal, Ontario, altimeter 2994, descend via except maintain 99000.
2994,
Southwest 2977, passing 2,900 for 14,000. Southwest 2977, so Southwest 2977. Mike Charlie 7000 and we have India. Number 567 Mike Charlie, SoCal approach, Ontario, altimeter 2994, expect the ILS, runway 26 right approach. Copy, expect the ILS 26 right, and Mike Charlie. You're swinging very vertically again.
November, Quebec, November 1.
November, Quebec, November 1, Alaska, 10. 402, Victor Bravo. Station 7, Mike Charlie, descend and maintain 6,000. Oh, 6, 7, Mike Charlie. The problem is the visibility is below the minimum for the RNAV visual approach. Roger that. Horizon Air 2485, clear visual approach, runway 26 right.
Clear visual 26 right, Horizon 2485.
Captain 3033, the wind did shift. The winds are now 160 at 8, gusting to 14, so it's basically a crosswind. Is that, are you able to apply the ILS in the 6?
Well, set us up for the ILS runway 6, we'll get the data.
I know 54 radar service ready to keep the code. Contact bracket tower 118.2. Good day.
118.2 out of 54.
Horizon Air 2485, contact the tower 120.2.
Good day, Southwest 657.
November, hold short, taxiway Victor.
26 right via Quebec, November, hold short of Victor, United.